Hi friends, welcome to my YouTube channel SS Analysis. First of all, I would like to tell you that if you are watching this video first time, subscribe my channel to see my more upcoming videos on analysis of different commodities and equity indices. And second important thing is to watch this video till its end to understand this solely to take your decision. Your whole like will motivate me to be regular in working more hard for you. So let us start the day to analyze the movements of gold futures in different time frames. Friends, here you can see a daily chart of gold futures. So here you can see that after a steep upward move from the lows of $1469, what the gold futures tested on March 20th, 2020, gold futures continued their rally up to the levels of $1787, where the gold futures found stiff resistance constantly up to here. So friends, here you can see that the gold futures constantly facing stiff resistance at the levels of $1768 from April 13 to June 19, when the gold futures first time started an upward move and tested the highs of $1806. So here I find that the gold futures had formed a strong platform at the levels of $1772, where the gold futures continued this rally from here and tested the highs of $1862 on July 9th. So here I find that the gold futures once again formed second platform for an upward move at the levels of $1821. So friends, here I find that the gold futures found strong support at the levels of $1821 and a rally started in gold futures. So here we can see that this uptrend in gold futures continued from July 17 up to the levels of $2069, when the gold futures found some resistance here at the levels of $2069 for the first time on August 5th, 2020. But once again, I find that on August 6th, gold futures showed some more strength and tested the highs of $2081. So here I find that the gold futures facing stiff resistance at the levels of $2078, whereas on the next day, here you can see that on August 7th, the gold futures started the day with a high at the levels of $2089, and after testing the levels of 2089, the gold futures found a sharp sell-off from these levels when the gold futures tested the lows of $1911 on August 11, 2020. So here you can see that the gold futures have been maintaining this uptrend amid this uptrend zone. So here you can see that the gold futures continue to maintain this uptrend after testing the lows of $1915 on August 11. So once again the gold futures found some sell-off when the gold futures tested the lows of $1882 on August 12th. So here you can see that the reversal was very strong from the lows of $1881 on August 12th. So friends, here the gold futures once again closed at the levels of $1920. So here I find that there is no doubt that the gold futures tried to maintain this uptrend once again up to August 18, when they finally tested the highs of $2024. So from here you can see that the gold futures found stiff resistance at the levels of $2027 on August 18. So here I find that the level of $2016 provided strong resistance to gold futures during this uptrend when the gold futures continued to move downward and finally tested the lows of $1913 on August 21st. So friends, here once again the gold futures witnessed some reversal, but here I find that the weekly closing of gold futures at the levels of $1947 looks evident enough for a weak trend in gold futures which may continue during the upcoming week. So friends, here I find that now the gold futures seems to be facing stiff resistance once again at the levels of $1999 in case of any upward move. So here I find that the rallies in gold futures will be sold above the levels of $1975 with a stop loss at the levels of $2050. Because here I find that this seems to be a good strategy to go short below the levels of $1991 where the gold futures will find stiff resistance in case of any upward move. So friends, this is my expected trading zone for the upcoming week, where I find that any upward move will be sold at the levels of $2,000. So friends, here I find that the bears would prefer to go short below the levels of $2,000 with a stop loss at the levels of $2048, where I find that the target will be at the levels of $1826. So thank you friends, thanks for watching this video. If you like this video, don't forget to share this video with your more and more friends. Thank you.